Hey, what's going on, Aaron? Here, hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out MobileXpression and you're wondering how much money can you actually make from this mobile app? How does this work? Is this legit or is it a scam? And the big question is this worth your time, okay? Let's review MobileXpression and then you can decide whether or not to use it to make some additional money, right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 US dollars per month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I will send you that strategy for free straight to your email if you want to check that out, okay? Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online, all sorts of different apps, games, videos, business models. Some of them are great, some of them not so great, some of them not really worth your time at all, right? So let's take a look at MobileXpression to see how much this really pays you, what do you have to do, and how does this work, okay? So MobileXpression is basically a market research panel app. Very cool, legit. It works in a lot of countries, not every country, but it does work in a lot of countries, and you can use this on pretty much any device that you have. So your tablet, your mobile phone, your laptop's pretty cool, okay? And you would install their software onto your device, and then the more that you use it, the more data they collect. And basically what they're trying to do is they're trying to find out exactly what you do. What are your habits? What apps do you use? Where do you shop? What kind of things do you buy? They do guarantee privacy, so you don't have to worry about your credit card details, your email, your passwords, things like that. They're not going to collect that kind of data. They just want to figure out what you do as a consumer, what you do as an individual, what kind of websites are you browsing, where do you go, what do you buy, those kind of things. And if you're cool for this company, because they are a very big market research company owned by Comscore, all right? If you're cool with them collecting that data, then they will reward you a little bit, which I'll speak to you about in a second here, for giving them that data, allowing them to collect that data, all right? Now, the way it works is on a weekly basis, right? They will pay you a $5 gift card every week that you're active, okay? So it's not cash. They're not going to pay you cash, but they will give you a gift card, which you can redeem, in credits and gift cards, right? So depending on which country you're in, the gift cards will be different, right? So for example, if you're in the US, you might have gift cards like Amazon, which is pretty cool because a lot of people buy stuff from Amazon. Maybe a Walmart gift card, maybe a Target gift card, maybe a Starbucks gift card. If you're in a different country, your gift card access or the gift cards you can choose will be slightly different, all right? So in total, we're looking at roughly about $20 in gift cards per month if you leave it active. And it's pretty cool. You don't have to do anything. You just have to download the software onto your phone, onto your tablet, and you just kind of go about your days and you just use your phone as usual, and then you get a $5 gift card every single week. Okay, now remember, you're not gonna get rich because it's only $5 a week, right? It's only $20. So what can you really do with $20? But it's free. You don't have to do anything, and these guys are legit. Okay, and they're available in most countries. Okay, so again, they've given away $5 million in e-gift cards, which is pretty cool. Okay, and they work in quite a lot of countries, which is not bad. So if you want to check them out, head over to mobileexpression.com, and then you click on join now, and then you would enter all your information and your mobile phone number and that kind of thing, okay, depending on what country that you're in. Again, you just have to log on and see if they are available in your country. If you can't do this, if you can't join right here, if your mobile number doesn't work, then they're not available in your country at that particular time, unfortunately. Okay, so pretty cool app. You can check them out. Again, remember, you're not going to get rich this way, but it works and it's free and it's in the background. Again, we're looking at about $20 per month. But if you're watching this video right now and you want bigger income, because really, $5 a week is not life-changing, right? Life-changing is hundreds of dollars a day. That's the only way that you will really change your life. So it depends on what you're looking for. If you're watching this video because you're looking for ways to generate real income online, maybe a big side income or a real big income online, we live in the technology age and there are methods for you to generate hundreds of dollars a day. We're talking about thousands of dollars a month, full-time income, okay? And so my favorite way, still till today, and I've tested so many different strategies and business models and apps and websites and all that sort of stuff, right? My favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 US dollars every single month, still 100% from home, you don't even have to leave your house, is a very particular strategy. So click the link below. I'll send you that strategy for free to your email. You can check it out if you want. And I hope you enjoyed this review of MobileXpression, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.